a million other brands out there. So you got to try to set yourself apart somehow. Put yourself actually into your brand. Don't just sit here and keep it a brand, which means just like keeping your name on your brand and that's it. Like actually put what you like, put your personal taste into your brand. You know, don't go off of what's the popular lengths that's out there right now. Don't go off the popular colorways. Like that's what he like to wear, you know what I mean? So he put it into his clothing. That's what I like to wear from my clothing.
Talk to me about what you're wearing, like.
This is a Rodney King t-shirt, but it's like the Rockaware logo. So just keep
Rough Rider.
Yeah, I'm getting the Rough Rider like that. But so I'm just keeping it with the retro theme, and also trying to keep it a little bit woke to keep it on like the sensitive topics that we that we were raised on. These pants I made just like
you see how we just lost over the Rodney King like that's like. It's deep, you know? Like,
and I ain't trying to blow past it. Like I genuinely.
No, I was just thinking, you know, like, I mean? it's a lot of texture.
Everyday shit,
every Friday, you know what I mean? So regular Friday. So here we go.
Jeans custom retro patches. I try to pick patches that I think will work together well. Just went crazy with the distressing, man. This is like a passion project. I didn't really look at how much time it took. I just wanted to make something that I actually liked in the end. I got this chain from my dad. This is from it's actually from the MoMA, but they sold jewelry. Yeah.
I forgot what it was.
I got this at a thrift store. It was like $2. I looked it up. It's worth like $500. So check your thrift stores, y'all. This is just some simple piece that I was like, no, I'm thinking about that. Then we gotta don't play no chains. Keep it simple because we, you know what I mean, simple. Not use aesthetics, nothing too crazy. We don't need all those diamonds. Y'all make it. You gotta bust it down a little bit.
Right. It's time and the place. Talk to me. I know for me what stands out is the Goldberg, like.
Oh yeah, it's the Vintage Wrestling tee. I'm a big wrestling fan, bro. So.
Who the GOAT? Greatest wrestler of all time.
Stone Cold.
See, I'm the era right before Stone Cold. I was Bret Hart, like. No?
Nah,
Stone Cold? We'll go in. That's a different episode. Okay, keep going. I'll get out your way.
Don't play sample, little blank. You feel me? Sample joint.
Don't sell it short now. He went with the proper sample sizing on the hoodie.
What is it? Egyptian cotton?
It's a different type of like cut sleeve. It's a little more drop shoulder, a little bit more comfortable fitting.
Yeah, like.
And look, this was his idea,
But,
so I'm saying like don't say it's like.
But let me pause you right there, right? How hard is it to, sometimes pop out and really talk the shit, like, you know what I mean? Like,
I try to stay humble.
That's why I was like, I'm trying.
Yeah, is that hard though? Do you like finding that balance?
When your ego getting to play it up, you feel me? Like the streams kind of showed me, bro. Like we be having false ego, and you can't really take nothing personal. It's like before agreements, though. So I'm off stream right now.
How you feeling?
Come on.
I ain't never take streams before.
But it's like when your ego getting to play, bro. In reality, bro, like you gotta think about it. Like the universe is so big, bro. We like cells in a body. We don't matter for real in reality, bro. But we do though, because we made an image of God. You feel me? That's why I got the church fans say, you're the gods, you're the chosen of the Most High. But you'll die like men to fall like the princes did. So it's like it's a humble thing, bro. Like, then like one thing that keep me stop from popping it, bro, is cause like, bro, I know how it feel to have something and lose it. And bro, what keep me like down to earth, bro, when niggas get that on the hate and shit. It's like, bro, look how they did Christ, you feel me? Who am I? So you gonna get the same treatment, bro, the chosen ones get. So it's like, come with the job, bro. You feel me?
Yeah.
Don't go crazy buying all these chains and watches, cause it's like, never let nobody know what you got going on. Whether you broke or you dumb up, you gotta stay the same. Sure.
So talk to me about the cans.
So like HouseOfVain, I talked about the fans, bro. They the HouseOfVain, one of ones on. You feel me?
You can't find these nowhere.
I don't know. I found these sweats somewhere, and they said hard rock or Reliant. I don't know, like the colors. I'm from Pittsburgh, so anything like, I feel like anything that's darker or yellow, that's like on that.
Yeah, facts. Y'all
I got the
y'all both stepping.
Hold up.
Casual, like, you know,
This
just
is Helms. This is
casual.
Don't Play Vintage HouseOfVain design.
Shrooms. How important the shrooms, you know,
Damn.
how important the role the shrooms, and are you even comfortable talking about shrooms on camera and shit like that?
Honestly, bro,